All right, now we're going to take everything to the key of F. And this means that you can just move everything that we just did in G down to 2 frets. So again, what I'm keying in on, my F chord. So here's my root. To my 4 chord, I roll my finger. Okay, now when you go looking for your B flat, you're going to have to be not on a dot. First finger is going to be at the 6th fret. So this is a B flat, this is a B flat. And then again, you roll your finger for the E flat. So 1, 4, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, F, B flat. Then we go up here to this B flat. Its 4 chord is E flat, right? And then our 5 chord, the C chord, is what we used in the last, it was the 4 chord in the key of G. So now it's our 5 chord. It's in the same place. There's our F up there. So F, B flat, F, B flat, E flat, B flat, C, F, C. And again, it's just these really simple triads. And then when I go to the other 5 chord, the C chord, this part, my eye is taking me right to this 5th fret on the 3rd string. That's a C chord. And then this is my F chord. And I didn't talk about this in G, but since we're talking about these triads, this C comes from this C chord. There's your A shape. This F comes from, here's my full F chord. So if you're seeing this as like a C chord with this little half bar, or you're seeing this as like this D chord shape, however you want to see it, it doesn't really matter. But you can see that is a C chord shape. That is a D chord shape. I'm just barring it. So when I get up here to my 5 chord, I'm keying into that position. And you do this enough, you know right where your 4 chord is. Right? It's just right under your finger. And again, I'm getting on my tips really well. So if you're flat fingered, you will mute the adjacent string, and that will kill the sound. So you want to make sure you're getting really nice and tight on the tips of your fingers to get those to ring really well. Okay, so let's play through this in F, and again we'll do it at all 3 tempos. Everything for these lessons, the PDFs and the backing tracks you can find on the website for this Grab a Fast 4 chord. So what you'll get is the tablature, you'll get the backing tracks at 3 tempos with me playing and without me playing. So you can use me as a reference point, and then you can play on your own without me, experiment with dynamics, where to hit hard, where to soften it up, because that's all stuff that you're going to need live and in the studio anyway. So everything for these 2 lessons will be in the library. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll catch you next time.